Students, we are going to change negative sentence. I write one sentence. She said to her brother, you don't work hard. This is a negative sentence. Now I change she said to into told her brother object. Now I connect this sentence with that. And now we see you. You is second person. Second person according to object. Here we see object is her brother. Her brother means he, you, he. So we'll change you into he. Do not, does not will change into did not. We can write in short form work hard. So this is how we'll change in negative sentence into indirect speech. I write one more sentence for you. You said to your teacher, I haven't done my work today. So we'll change it. You said to into told your teacher now we'll connect with that. I first person according to subject. Here we see subject is you. Now we'll change I into you. Has have into had with not. So we can write in short form hadn't, or if you write had not, it is also correct. Okay. Don't done, sorry. My is first person, and first person I have already told you first person will change according to subject. Subject is you. So your work today will change into that day. So this is how we'll change negative sentence. Now we talk about interrogative sentences. Now, here an interrogative sentence. She said, are you in my class? So, look this sentence, students, carefully. Here, I didn't write object, as I already told you. How we change subject, second person without having an object. But I want to focus, I want to tell one more thing you, that if we don't have object, if reported verb doesn't have any object, then we can change said into said. We can write said into said. It is also correct. But if you find any confusion, then you don't need to write that. You can write ask like this. Okay. Now we connect these two sentences with if. If and whether both can be used to connect reported verb and reported speech in interrogative sentence. Here I am using if. Okay. Now this is an interrogative sentence, and the rule says that we always turn an interrogative sentence into affirmative sentence. So to change into affirmative sentence, first of all we have to write subject. Here we see subject is you, and you is second person pronoun, S-O-N. 1, 2, 3. Second person pronoun is according to object. But here we see that here is no any object. So we assume me. So we change you according to me, and you will take place I will change into I. Now R is RM will change the tense because this sentence is in past tense. So we change is MR into was. I was in my is first person, and first person will change into second person. Second person is first person is subject, she, and I will change my into she. When I see my into she's table, I find her and class, and this interrogative sign will be removed, and the sentence will change like this. She's asked if I was in her class. Okay, now one more sentence. Your father said, do you need my help? So here another interrogative sentence will change your father said to connect with if. Now here do and you second person according to subject. Subject is your father. Your father means he, so we'll change you into he. And here does will not be changed into did. Remember, do and does will not be changed into did. If the sentence is interrogative without having any negative word. So we find there is no negative word, so we'll don't change do does into did. We'll change the form of the verb. Here need is first form, and we'll change need into needed. Okay. Now here my is first person, and first person will change into second person. Second person is missing, Second person is missing. So we assume one more time me. One more time me. So sorry. First person will change according to subjects. Subject is your father. Sorry, I change it one more time. Here you is second person, but here we find there is no object, so we assume me. Me. So you will change into I, and now needed, and my first person according to subject, and it is changed into his her. So this will change the sentence. The right answer is your father said if I needed his help. So keep focusing on the sentence and keep focusing on the pronoun will change according to the sentence. So students, you have to focus, you have to learn all the rules, all the tables which we already have talked about. So in next class we will learn some more sentence in interrogative section. Thank you.